I know y'all love new things just as much as I do, so let's do this unboxing together. So this is from Honeycomb Wax, and they sent me some paraffin wax and a stir stick. But just wait now, we got some more stuff. So they sent me some pre-wax cleanser, which is their Be Clean. Yeah, I like that beehive kind of vibe kind of thing. I love it. It's so cute. And that's Hive Daily. I think that's for ingrowns, as well as this is an ingrown tonic. It's gonna open up real quick so you can see it. It's in a little mini spray. You can slip in your little purse or something. Oh, some Hive tonic. All right, now this is some wax strips that I'm gonna need for my soft wax and some sticks. And they also sent me some post wax care. I think this one is a post wax care. Yeah. And a big old bag of wild honey wax. Let me tell y'all something, because I use this wax and it's a snatcher, so y'all are gonna have to stay tuned for a video on that. This is their soft wax, which is it has this nice pink looking color. I love it. Their soft wax. And this is their double wax warmer. Yeah, baby, y'all know I love honey wax pots. They are just so pretty. They're beautiful. It is a go. Listen, if you're not investing in one of these pots, I don't know what y'all doing, because I've had mine since I started being on my own as solo SD, and it works great. It comes with inserts. You gonna need that. Sometimes I go without insert, but don't follow what I do. Don't do what I say, but just do what you need to do. But the rose gold accents are just so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna put her right beside my big girl 7-pounder on each side, so that's a 14-pounder. Yeah, fits nicely. I also got a 10% discount code for y'all, so y'all are not gonna want to miss these videos. Stay tuned. Link in my bio for more. Toodle.